Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lemon Squeezy for digital product UI checkout, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Lemon Squeezy website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on it to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the specified field. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Lemon Squeezy. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This will take you back to the Lemon Squeezy site to complete your registration. You may be asked to provide additional information like your name and business details. Fill out the required fields accurately. Once completed, proceed to the dashboard. In your dashboard, look for the Products tab. Click on it to start adding a new digital product. Select Add Product or Create Product. Choose the type of product you want to offer, such as a digital download. Upload your product files by following the prompts. Set a price for your digital product. Configure any additional settings, like licensing or download limits. After all details are filled in, save your product. Now, navigate to the checkout settings. Customize your checkout page to align with your branding. Add any necessary fields for customer information. Once satisfied, save your checkout settings. Finally, share your product link across your platforms. Your Lemon Squeezy account is now set up and ready for digital sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.